Ew, I'm recording.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Stick the straw into my tummy.
Oh, isn't that so sexy? Kevin does.
Ooh.
And apparently Alex will, too. Girl, 'cause you fucking like that. She working that thing. You don't know how to slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Whoa! I got boobs in my hand, imaginary boobs.
I'm saying big balls. Okay.
Oh, you got big balls. Kevin's balls. Ooh.
If you want.
Too bad I couldn't see the antlers.
Oh my God, that's
Did it hurt?
yes.
Do I need to give you CPR? Is it better?
No.
That would be a really pretty picture.
That hurt, man. It combed my hair, yeah. Hey. Ho.
I love it. Oh, you really licked it. Ah.
I fixed it.
Say bye-bye. Say hello to your future raper.